What's good, YouTube? It's Cari Beats. Back with a video. As y'all can see, I almost said POV. I'm at a little car show, man. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. I really wasn't gonna record, but I'm just gonna record something, man, to keep everything rolling, something smooth for the channel, man. Make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if y'all new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. But y'all see we got a little wagon, man. Got a clean wagon right here. Hot rod. We just gonna walk through real quick, ain't nothing too crazy. This truck here so clean though. This truck here clean though. Look at the flake in it, bitch.
Out of my truck. That's probably what I need to do.
That big guy. Immaculate paint job, boy. What y'all think about that right here? Ooh. He got them all right now. I can't not lie. I'll drive that. We got a old school over here. I'm gonna come back around on that side. We're gonna walk through here first, you know what I'm saying? Really just showing y'all the car. I ain't got too much to talk about. It's a Plymouth. You got the peanut butter guts. Something slight, nothing too crazy. It must clean though. No cap. Oh, it's a Bel Air. I figured it looked like a Bel Air, but I ain't never seen the one without the top on. Without the top off of it. Clean little Bel Air. Smooth Bel Air. You got a police Fox body. Or I don't know what he's trying to be. Bullet GT. 2V. Man. Little 2V, man. Yeah, these old school be hard, but I got a big body. They be about taller than me. Wow, I got a skeleton on the inside. Something slight, man. Something slight. Z28. Little stock Camaro. GT500. I'll drive one of these. They just not as fast, but they a little older. Yeah, GT500, SVT. Oh, man. Yeah, I see we got a GT500 3-valve, man. Carbon fiber pieces with Caro seats. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, man, you know, you got Mustang, being a Mustang. Then we got a big body Viper, big body Viper. 700 horsepower. You feel me? Dual intake. That mother clean. Viper go crazy. And they got an SRT on the. Man, it must clean. It must be like a. I don't know what year this is. More hard. One thing about Scat, bro, they don't pop like mine. That was a while about the Scat right there. They don't pop like mine. You know, so we got a little 320. What is it? I forgot it. I think it's a I don't know if it's a 328 or something. 330. Oh, my bad. 230. Man. I was trying to get it up to her, but 230. Oh, yeah. Then you got the M2. Feel me? M2. Well, clean though. M2. They got their music playing. Hopefully, y'all can't really hear it. We got a Bullet. You know what I'm saying? I'm just walking through y'all, you feel me? So y'all boys just bear with me. Probably gonna be a short little video. What y'all see, man? Fought body. I forgot what these called. Somebody brought this. They put a V8 in here? That's crazy. I thought they had V6s. I thought they had V6s in those. You know what I'm saying? I believe it's a Bel Air. Y'all don't get on my head, man. I be forgetting. Forgetting Mach 1, old school. Oh, man. I think I just walked through a spider web. Damn. Hey, y'all peek feet. Y'all know y'all seen these a lot. So I don't know about these though. Oh, man. Camaro. All original look like. That's a small block. Dang, interior go crazy. Big cam, Vic. Another 2V, man. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. I like that blue. And blue clean. You got a drop top SS. Oh, this I seen this SS before. I ain't know it was a drop top. Oh, it's clean though. Yeah. Well, it's straight, you know what I'm saying? Different hood. Oh, that be a Whipple. Damn. Cuz got the Whipple on that Cuz got a Whipple on that mug, boy. Man, scared of him. Scared of him, boy. Whipple, drop top, SS. There's some nice whips out here though, old school wise. Most are old school. I hope y'all can't hear that music for real. I'm trying to talk. Oh, this truck hard. No cap. This truck hard. But I hope y'all don't hear that music. I ain't trying to get copyrighted, man. You feel me? Yeah, that's what's going on, man. Yeah, man. Oh, this for sale right here, man. Anybody want a mirror? Clean, stick shift. Look like it's in good shape. Little small block. 4-speed. Your car be worth $25,000. Well, clean, bro. Man, I see what's going on. Oh, yeah, they clean right here too. Oh, they don't put a Camaro. They put a Camaro motor in it. Yeah. Oh, that's just a Camaro Bism. Oh, they more brown. Look at this, it's brown, bro. It look like I thought it was black. They be brown. That's tough. That's hard. That's tough right there. Yeah, car cool. I wasn't gonna turn the camera on. I said I got my shades on. But yeah, I ain't showed my face in a while. But just a slight little video, man. I got something special coming for y'all though, man. Y'all boys stay tuned next week. Sometime next week, man. I got something very, very special for y'all boy, man. I think y'all gonna rock with it. POV gonna go crazy, more entertaining. I'm gonna start getting different camera, equipment type stuff, all that, man. Y'all boys just stay tuned, man. It's gonna be crazy.
Cari made it.
Not too crazy. Let me show y'all Olivia. I just watched it. I've been watching. I mean, I ain't like trying to put my all into the watch, but I was taking my time watching the car. So it took me about 2 hours. I was on the phone trying to run my partner, watching my car, trying to get all the bugs and stuff off. So show y'all Olivia. She's so clean, but I ain't clean the inside, bro. I just flat the mats off. But did my thing on the outside. I'm looking at it now. Ooh, woo. I need to put a little more tie shine, like on the front tire. That might be the bottom side, but look at that thing, boy. Ooh. Yeah. Look at that thing, boy, clean. Glad, nee. Be a little like glad with the lights on. Yeah, I see what's going on. I see what's going on. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. But, yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Some slight, man. I know I ain't been recording a lot. You feel me? I might need to turn around on it. I know I ain't been recording a whole lot, or posting a lot, I mean. So y'all boys just bear with me. Look at somebody, bro, gonna put this by my car, man. Crazy. Anyway. But yeah, I know I ain't been recording a whole lot and posting a lot, man, cause I just want to give y'all real good, authentic energy videos, you feel me? Trying to put more good energy into the video, not just forcefully posting. Well, not forcefully posting, but trying to like just throw anything at y'all, and they ain't really got good little quality or whatever to it or something like that. But nevertheless, man, you know what I'm saying? A lot on the way, man. Y'all boys stay tuned. You feel me? We got a lot of stuff coming. There's a lot of crazy, good content coming, man. Hopefully y'all rock with it. I think y'all should. I'ma like it. I'm excited. You feel me? I'm really excited on waiting. So we just waiting on one more thing. And you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be like, yeah, we been waiting on you to do this. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be the only one in my city with this, what I'm gonna do. So it's gonna be crazy. I know I'm turning a lot of heads, you feel me? Y'all run it up for me so we can get that 360 camera with the mount on the back so we can put it on the back of Olivia. And we're really gonna make some real different nice videos. Like y'all can really see people's reaction and see how it look on the outside of the car with me like driving with the POV, cutting up, whatever you wanna call it, drifting every turn. You feel me? Going through the hood, all that stuff. Like y'all boys just wait on it, man. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And like I say, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the meat, stay prayed up, stay blessed. You know what I'm saying? That boy, keep that faith and build that faith, man. And the rest of it come. Just have that faith and trust in him. You feel me? For all my religious folk out there. But like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.